Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Now we are on Stratford station, showing you the live coverage from Stratford station. Okay, you can see it's very good city center. You can come here and you can enjoy. There is also a bus stand. All buses are moving from there. You can see Burger King and shopping mall in front. A very big shopping mall. Let's go and enjoy, show you the other view of this center. There's a huge crowd here. They just came for shopping, eating and enjoying.
I said that's too early. I'm gonna see what Lily is gonna say.
You can see. Let's go to the bus station. If you want to come to London, just message me. I will guide you properly for where you have to go. Due to the Christmas, a lot of people are outside and they are enjoying. You can see okay, let's go to the Stratford Tube station. Here is the Stratford Tube station. Stratford station. You can check where the trains go. Everything is mentioned here. Just check it. You can purchase the tickets. You can check the tube station, tube map, from where train go and from where train come. From there you can check Stratford Center bus stand. Okay, let's go. From there you can use your Oyster card. You can just scan and you can go. Okay, that's Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park, Westfield Center, Stratford International Bus City Center, bus, taxi, town center. So very good area. You can move anywhere from this area. Okay, you can see. You can check. People are enjoying in the surrounding area.
I've talked to so many people. I am confused. I don't know what to do. And I said,
Okay, let's go toward Market, Westfield. Okay. Will show you something great. You have to watch and subscribe the channel for the latest videos. Just going and enjoying. These are the Christmas days. People are coming and going and enjoying. casino. M&S. Due to Christmas, they have decorated all the area. You can check out. Westfield. And they have decorated everything for the Christmas. You can check, people are enjoying. People are playing, enjoying. So please subscribe our channel for the latest videos. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching and giving the time.